Planet Medicine.
Hey guys, welcome back to Planet Medicine. I know that we are all stuck in the house because of the coronavirus. Some of us are bored. I'm so bored! Some of us are playing video games. Oh man, I lost! And some of us are driving our parents crazy. Mom, can I have a snack? Dad, I'm thirsty. Dad, can I have a drink? Mom, can I play Roblox? They want us to be super careful and safe, so we have to do our schoolwork at home. I will try to upload a video at least 2 to 3 times a week to help you understand different subjects. Today, we're going to go over some math problems. If you're having trouble with 2nd or 3rd grade math, this video is for you. But before we get started, I have a special guest that's here today. He's our old friend. We haven't seen him in a long time. Introducing...
Jimmy the Giraffe!
Hi, it's you again.
Hi, Madison!
Sorry, he's very loud.
Just excited!
The last time Jimmy was here, I was 5 years old.
And now you're almost 10!
Yeah, I know.
You're a big girl!
Thanks. Okay, kids, let's start with some basic multiplication problems.
Hey, let's get some music started and dance our way into it.
Okay, we know that anything times itself is that number. For example, 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2.
Let me do this one. 1 times 3 equals 16.
No.
What is it?
The answer is 1 times 3 equals 3.
Why?
Because 1 times itself is that number.
Oh, I get it now. So 1 times 4 would be 4.
Correct.
I got it. I got it. Carry on.
Okay, other simple multiplication problems that we learned earlier are 2s, 5s, and 10s. Like this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on.
Hey, Madison!
Yes?
What about our 3s and other numbers? Can you go over some of those? Because those are really hard.
Oh yeah, we're going to do that right now. We're going to use repeated addition and skip counting.
Wow, repeat addition and skip counting?
Here, let me show you in the board.
Awesome.
Let's start with repeated addition. First, we're going to do 3 times 2. And how do you do that? So, first, we know that 3 times 1 equals 3. And what do you have to do? You have to add another 3. There's 3 2 times. So let's do 3 plus 3. Kids, do you know what 3 plus 3 is?
I know.
What is it?
3 plus 3 is 65.
No.
Oh, gosh.
Kids, do you know? If you say 6, then you were right. So 3 times 2 equals 6. Now we're doing 3 times 3. We know that 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. But what is 3 times 3? So we have to do 3 times, like this. 3 plus 3 plus 3. And we can break it apart, see? We know that 3 plus 3 equals 6. Then put your plus, oh, that's bad. Then put your plus, then you add your 3 down. Kids, do you know what 6 plus 3 is?
I got this one.
What is it?
6 plus 3 equals 345!
No!
Oh my goodness!
6 plus 1, 2, 3 equals, can you guess? If you say 9, then you're absolutely correct. So 3 times 3 equals 9. Let's do one more. Now we're going to do 3 times 4. We know that 3 times 1 equals 3. Now kids, this is almost like skip counting. 3, then 3 times 2 equals 6. And 3 times 3 equals 9. But what is 3 times 4? Now we're going to do 4 threes. Like this. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now this is an easy breakup that you guys can do. You guys can try this out too at home. 3 plus 3 equals 6. And another 3 plus 3 equals 6 too. And guys, this is a double. So, kids, what is 6 plus 6?
I got this one!
What is it?
6 plus 6 is 12!
Yay, Jimmy, you got it!
Let's do it dance.
So, 6 plus 6 equals 12, because Jimmy got it right. 3 times 4 equals 12. Let's try this and skip counting. So first, we're going to do 4 times 2. And this time we're using it as a number line. So first, you're going to start with 0. Count with me, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one set of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2 set of 4. So, can you tell me what 4 times 2 is? Let's look at the number line. What do we end on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, we stopped there. So if you said 8, then you're correct. 4 times 2 equals 8. Next one, 4 times 3. Let's start with 0. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 3. So kids, where do we stop at? Okay, so we stopped on 12. If you said 12, you're good and smart. Okay, last one for today. Last one is 4 times 4. We have to start with 0 again and count with me, guys.
Well, can I count with you too?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4. That's one set of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2 set of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 3 set of 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 set of 4s. So where do we stop at?
We stopped at number 16.
Good job, you're correct again! So it's 16. 4 times 4 equals 16. Okay guys, I hope that we were able to show you how to multiply using repeated addition and skip counting.
Ah! Sorry. Hey Madison,
Yes?
since people can't leave comments on YouTube anymore, where can they go to say hi?
Oh, you can find me on Instagram and Facebook. Links down below. So please get permission and help from your parents first. Okay, that's it. Thanks for coming, Jimmy.
Thanks for having me, Madison.
See you guys in the next video. Bye!